symbol is used to simplify formula of physics. The formula for force is force equals mass times acceleration. If I were to put this in symbols, I would write it as F is the symbol stands for force, M is the symbol stands for mass, A is the symbol stands for acceleration. Let's take another example. The formula for density is the mass contained per unit volume is mass divided by volume as per its definition. To write it in symbolic form, I'll write rho. This symbol is called rho. It's not P, it's rho. R-H-O. M stands for mass and capital V stands for velocity. Volume, not velocity. I also get confused by the capital V and small v. You have to remember small v stands for velocity and speed. Velocity is simply speed with the direction. And capital V stands for volume. Capital V also stands for voltage. Now this thing is symbol for volume, but this right here, volts, this is unit of voltage and also its symbol. So there is a little gray area. As you progress along the syllabus, you will easily differentiate between volume, velocity and voltage.